everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So as you can already tell by my title, that this is not a makeup tutorial on this look. I wish I did a tutorial on this, but actually I was just kind of playing around and practicing, and this was my first time doing the cloud makeup trend. So if you want to see a tutorial, let me know in the comment section below and I will do one on how I created this look. But for now, this was just practice, so I didn't want to record that and waste so much time recording, especially if it wasn't going to come out right. Go ahead and head on over to my Instagram, which is MadonnaMUA, and give this look a thumbs up because I will be posting the photo there. Back to the real reason of this video. I went to Morphe store, the grand opening here in New Jersey, like when? Probably like 2 weeks ago now. I bought some liquid lipsticks and a bunch of other like Jeffree Star cosmetic stuff. I actually did a video that's already uploaded right before this one where I tried some of Jeffree Star stuff for the first time because I've never had his products before, and I kind of showed like a little sneak peek of the Here for the Nudes bundle. So I didn't swatch it, I didn't do any of that, so I feel like that's what I'm going to do in this video. You know, now that summer is winding down and we're going to start heading into fall season, we're going to start heading back into the liquid lipsticks. It is back to school season. You want something that's going to stay on all day. It's going to be colder out. You don't really care about having so much, you know, lip gloss. It's windy. You know, the weather starts changing. If you are not a Jeffree Star fan, I'm so sorry, but I have been on Jeffree Star recently speaking about his products on Instagram and, you know, lately on YouTube, but it's because I'm trying his products for the first time and I'm telling you, they're really good. If you want to know the color that's on my lips right now, this is actually the shade Mannequin. This is so cute. I love how tiny they are in this bundle, which is great because if you don't want to get full size ones but you need a whole stash of nude colors, which is great if you are a working makeup artist, this is a great thing for you to buy. I think this was like around $50 something. I don't remember, I don't have the receipt with me, but I will put it down below how much this bundle costs. I think is like my perfect pink nude, which is what I really like. Alright, so the first shade on this bundle, before Mannequin, whatever, you'll see what I'm talking about. The first one I'm going to swatch is called Skin Tight. So it's a really pretty pale pink color. Let me swatch it for you so you can see what it looks like on my hand. Yeah, there we go. So it's like a pale pink. I don't think this shade is going to suit me, but we'll see how this looks. I mean, it's cute, but this would definitely look a lot nicer if I had kind of like a lip liner to help me out a little bit, because I think this is a little too pale for my complexion at the moment. They feel like nothing on your lips. It's like, it's a really thin consistency. As it dries, it does get like a tiny bit, a little tacky, but nothing like so horrible that you can't handle throughout the day. So that is Skin Tight. Okay, next shade that I'm going to swatch for you, this is called Celebrity Skin. This is a really pretty color. I feel like this might be a little bit like cooler tones. Yeah, so this is Celebrity Skin next to Skin Tight. You know, this is just going to be a really nice color. It's not going to be like a nude for me. It's going to be more, it's just mauve-y, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. You know what? Now that I'm like swatching it on my lips, this is really pretty. Oh my god, I actually really like this color. I think this is my perfect nude. You know, because Mannequin was more like a pink nude. If you want more nude, if I wanted to go for more of a nude, this is it. The Celebrity Skin shade is my perfect nude. Again, it has that really nice like thin feel. It dries really nice. I don't feel like my lips are really crusty, and trust me, like they should start feeling that way at this point now that I've already like wiped my lipstick off 3 times, but it's okay, we're gonna keep on going. So this is Celebrity Skin. Next shade I'm gonna go with is called Posh Spice. This I believe is definitely not gonna look too good on me. This is kind of on the grayer side. This is Posh Spice, and let me swatch this for you. Yeah, this is definitely on the grayer side, right next to Celebrity Skin. Again, this is another shade that feels like nothing on the lips. It looks really pretty, you know, to be on camera, maybe to take a photo with, but this is not something I would actually wear outdoors. Like, this is sort of an odd color for me as far as a nude goes. For those of you who may want it, may like it, this is called Posh Spice. Oh my god, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. So you guys, and you know what, it's not that hard to actually take off. I thought because it's a liquid matte lipstick that they're gonna be harder, so I actually bought like an extra makeup remover to try to see if I get them off. But so far with this wipe, this is by Yes 2 coconut wipes, this has been taking them off just fine, and it doesn't feel crazy, you know, because I've been already taking them off several times just to do this video. It doesn't feel crazy. My lips don't feel crazy, so that's a good thing. That's a plus. Alright, next shade I'm gonna go with, this is called Rose Madder. Now this is very rosy, just like its name. I think this is gonna be like a fun liquid lipstick for me to use. This is very pink, actually. This is a very, very pink nude. And yes, this is very rosy. I actually wish I wore this throughout the summer. This is nice. I mean, this is definitely not a nude for me. As you can see that it really stands out against my tan. It's a nice pink liquid lipstick for me personally. So if you want to know, this one is Rose Water. This is Rose Madder. Okay, so the next one is called Gemini. I'm a Virgo, by the way. This is a kind of like a down-toned version of Rose Madder, which would make sense because there are kind of like on a spectrum here in the package. So yeah, this is Gemini. Here we go. The smell is definitely like a menthol kind of smell. This is actually very pretty. This is actually a color that I know my mom would like, because she kind of like those nudes that lean towards like the darker, rosier side, but not too pink. They all have the same consistency and formula. I don't know, this might be my second favorite. Alright, let me go ahead and take this off because we got 2 more to swatch. Next shade, this is called Leo. You know, he should just come out with like liquid lipsticks with all of the astrology names, because where's Virgo? Like, Jeffrey, hello, you're missing a Virgo. This is sort of like, they're like leaning now towards like brown. So you can see, look, it's still kind of like in the brown pinkish area. Alright, this camera doesn't want to focus. Oh, this is really brown actually. Like way brown than what I thought. It's still not like a true brown. This is not my favorite of all the shades, but I know that this will definitely look very nice on deeper complexions. And last, the shade Androgyny. This is definitely more in the mauve area of a nude, I guess. You can see there's a little bit more mauve-y. So there it is. Yeah, so you can see it's a little bit more mauve-y compared to everyone else. It is definitely mauve-y. It's not the most pigmented because I can see a little bit of my lips, but it's okay because this is so thin that once you kind of like blend it out, it's fine. This is really nice. I actually like this shade. I'm definitely going to wear this one during the winter time. And yeah, so this is Androgyny. That is basically my swatch on Jeffree Star Cosmetics here for the nudes bundle. I mean, I know this is not like a brand new item out on the market, but this is brand new to me. And I'm pretty sure that there are people out there that just haven't seen this swatched or haven't really watched any videos on this bundle in particular. So if you came to my video, to my channel to check this out, thank you so much, and thank you for supporting me. But yeah, I think that if you are a working makeup artist, starting off with these to find out what shades will work for you and your clients would be really good, because it's cost effective. I mean, it's like, what, $49 or $50, somewhere around there. It's somewhere around there, you know, and you get a lot of shades right there, you know. You get like a few to choose from, and then whatever it is that is gonna work for you, for your clientele, I mean, hey, you can just go ahead and get the full size ones until you start running low again. If you're going back to school, if you're switching onto fall and you want to get new liquid lipsticks, if you want to get something different so that you haven't tried before, give these a shot, because I'm telling you, they feel amazing. They smell nice. They have like a menthol kind of smell to them, but it's not overbearing. Even taking them off, like I just went through all of these, okay, and not once did it feel like I was tugging at my lips or anything. Like, my lips feel pretty hydrated at the moment, especially after taking them off. They didn't feel dry, so this is definitely not a drying liquid lipstick. I think that is pretty much all I have to say about these lipsticks. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, because it will definitely help me out to see if you like this. Leave a comment down below if you want a tutorial on this look. As I said in the beginning, this is me practicing with it. But yeah, that is about it for this video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.